All right, here we are doing the repair at 17060 Jodave. Here's the slope. We're doing the test shingle right here. That's the shingle that's creased. So we're gonna go ahead and break the seal on that. Now sometimes when we're breaking the seal, mat transfer does occur. While the sealing being broken is fine, mat transfer is not acceptable because it damages the shingle below. So we'll see how this goes moving forward. It's got a good day though, it is warm. First row nails is out, so now we have to go up to the one layer above to get the next layer out. Whole thing.
It's gonna miss the shingle. Miss the shingle entirely.
Okay, so now that that shingle is out, you can see some of the mat transfer has happened here, and a little bit more over here. Now this has caused a hole in the shingle. So now this shingle underneath is actually damaged and is gonna need to be replaced because the silicone that is included with this repair is meant to reseal the shingle. Sealing's fine, but when the mat transfers happen and it's ripped the shingle below, that's different. Now we have holes in the shingle that aren't acceptable. So now this shingle is gonna have to be replaced. All right, so here we are now. We're gonna have to remove the shingle below because the mat transfer has damaged the shingle above. We got a warm day too, so it's a nice warm day. The shingle should be really malleable, but with the overall condition of these, it's already missing all these granules. A lot more are popping off now. Because again, this roof, with its age and its overall condition, these repairs are causing additional damage to the roof that shouldn't be happening.
Mat transfer.
Yep.
Mat transfer. Mat transfer.
So here we are again, the next shingle below. Just because, again, this roof's been sitting here for so long that the sealant has officially bonded to the other shingle. And when we go to replace these shingles, that bond is being broken in the form of mat transfer. So now we got holes in the shingle below, which is the whole reason we had to remove this shingle. So now here we are again moving down. If we keep doing this, we're going to be replacing the whole slope.